inspection of a Vf-2Ss 2018. This machine is equipped with auger, mist collection, plus it also has a probe, a tool, as well as a part probe, and they will be with this machine when it leaves. It is set up for 5th axis, 4th and 5th, and also has the Wi-Fi monitoring system if you have that in your shop. This machine has the hour screen real quick. There we go. Total tool change of 96,000 tool changes. Power on at 12,000 hours, and you can see the spindle start time, run time, feed cut rates. So, okay, let's get we're going to run this machine, and we're going to go through XYZ first. So we'll just run it. I'm going to come to the side of the machine so we can see it. It has door locks on it, so mostly running plastics, nylon. It's a very quiet machine. You can see there's very little removal of paint. Okay. You can hardly hear the movement. Y-axis. Okay, and we're going to go up to the Z. Okay, now we're going to run the spindle, and we're going to go 5,000, 8,000, and 12,000 RPM. I'm inside the door, about 20 inches from the spindle. That's at 5,000 RPM. Gonna go up to 8,000. That's 8,000. And going up to 12. And that's at 12,000. Super quiet machine. And we're going to show you a quick tool change. Even though there's no tools in it, we'll index it. Okay. Do a quick walk around. Has a tool tray, auger, coolant system. Fourth axis board, and it's set up for 220, 216 on a multi-tap transformer.